Welcome to my channel. Netgear extender green light but no internet. Ensure your main router has an active internet connection. Connect the device directly to the router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable to confirm. Restart your main router by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. Place your extender within the optimal range of your main router. If it's too far, it might have a weak connection despite the green light. Restart both your main router and your Netgear extender. Unplug them from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. On your device, forget the extender's network and then reconnect to it. This can resolve minor connectivity issues. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems. Visit the Netgear website or use the Netgear Nighthawk app to check for and install any available firmware updates for your extender. Ensure the extender is connected to the correct network. Sometimes extenders may connect to a neighboring network if yours is not available. Access the extender's admin page via miwafix.net to check for and resolve any IP address conflict. Ensure the extender is connected to the correct network. Sometimes extenders may connect to a neighboring network if yours is not available. Move the extender to a different location with fewer obstructions and away from other electronic devices that may cause interference. Thanks for watching.